craft and repeat. I hope you guys had an amazing Easter weekend. I know my kids got definitely spoiled, so I'm hoping you guys all enjoyed your time with family and friends. So today I am taking down all of my Easter and spring decor, and I'm gonna kind of make it more of, kind of keep the spring theme, but more neutral. I'm obsessed with black and white stripes, anything. So I came up with the idea, because I don't like just an ordinary wreath on my front door, to make this black and white striped hoop wreath. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that, and I'll show you the finished product. I think it turned out really cute. If you guys want to learn how to make it, please just watch the video. And if you like the video, remember to like it. If you like all of my videos, please remember to subscribe and also hit the little notification bell, because what that does is that instantly lets you know every time I upload a new video. So with further ado, we will go ahead and I will get started, and I will show you how to make this super adorable wreath. See you guys next time. Okay, so I purchased these hoops at Michael's. I bought a 14-inch bamboo hoop, and I also bought an 8-inch because I liked the size of the bigger one, and then I picked the smaller one for inside. There are different sizes, so it depends on how big or how small you would like your wreath. So I'm just going to take the tags off of the big one and do the same for the little. Now the idea is for the smaller hoop to be on the inside. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to get your Bristol board or your cardboard, whatever you have on hand, and you're going to trace the hoops. So once you line it up however you'd like, you're going to take the baby hoop, the smaller hoop, and you're going to trace around the outside. And once I'm done tracing the outside of the smaller hoop, I'm going to trace the inside of my bigger hoop. So again, positioning it where you would like it to create that wreath effect. Now once I'm done tracing, I'm going to cut it out. Now that I've got my wreath shape cut out, I'm opening up my fabric. Again, I picked up this square in the fabric section of Walmart. I believe I paid $2.48 for it. So whatever fabric you'd like works best. You're going to lay your hoop that you just cut out of your cardboard or Bristol board on top of your fabric, and you're going to trace around it. Next, you're going to cut it out. Okay, now that I've got it cut out, I'm going to take my cardboard circle that I cut out as well, and I'm going to get my Mod Podge. You can use glue, whatever works best. I just like this because it's a little bit tacky, but it's movable. So if I don't get it on right the first time, I can always peel it off and remove it. So I'm just going to give this a good coat of my Mod Podge. Then I'm going to open up my fabric, circle that I just cut out, and I'm going to lay it on. Again, this is the part where you have to futz and move it around to get it in the exact shape that you would like it. Also, I'm pressing it down a little bit extra to get some of the creases out. So here I'm having to work with the fabric, and it takes a lot of moving around in order to get it on the cardboard. Now don't worry if some of your edges are showing through, because when you do glue your hoops on, they will be covered. Because I'm using the striped fabric, I'm trying to get it as straight as I can. Now the one thing about the Mod Podge, it's very forgiving, so like I said earlier, you can peel it up and you can work with it, which is nice. Here I'm just adding a little bit more glue to get a little bit more tackiness. Okay, once I'm done, what I did is I took my bamboo hoops and I hot glued them on. You can also use E6000, whatever works best. Hot glue worked fine. So again, you're just going to glue it on. Decide what greenery you would like to use. I used a mix of some greenery that I had on hand, basically that I've got from the Dollar Tree or I've had from previous projects, and I'm just cutting what I think I may use. I know I want to add some succulents and some of the fern leaves, and then I want to pick up some of the white from the wreath itself, so I'm going to add some little white flowers. So again, get creative, have fun with it, play around with it. You're not going to get the look that you want the first time, so it's a lot of just moving the greenery around or the flowers. This would also look really cute with a pop of bright red or bright salmon pink, even yellow for that matter. So again, whatever your style is, you're more than welcome to add your own flair to it. Again, like I said in my introduction video, I am super obsessed with the black and white stripes lately, so I thought it would be fun. I've been wanting to do this, and now since Easter is done, I wanted to add something else different and funky to my front door. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you do make this wreath, I would love to see it, so shoot me a picture. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.